I am Bassem Haidar. I am an associate professor in cybersecurity and networking, and I am the leader of the cybersecurity and embedded system team at EUSIA Paris. And I am also the co-director of the new MSc program, Cybersecurity Management and Consulting with Schema.
My name is Amin Zawali. I'm a permanent professor at Schema Business School, and I'm acting as the co-director for the Master of Science in Cybersecurity Management and Consulting.
This is a double degree MSc between Schema and EUSIA. We train students to become cybersecurity consultant and a future manager at the same time.
One of the distinctive features of this program is its hybrid approach to cybersecurity skills and managerial skills. The point is, we would like to prepare and to train managers and consultants that are able to navigate through cybersecurity threats, but also understand the specific features of organizations, how they work, how they develop, how they manage change, and also how they implement processes. In terms of pedagogical delivery, all of our semesters, the fall and the spring, will encompass and will cover technical aspects as well as managerial aspects. The first semester will be delivered on Schema Paris campus, and the second semester, the spring semester, will be delivered on the EUSIA Paris campus.
We focus mainly on GRC from the cybersecurity side, so governance, risk and compliance, and also on consulting simulation and leadership models from the Schema side. Students will understand how organizations work, analyze threat and assess risk, use governance framework, apply regulations, build a cybersecurity strategy, lead incident response and crisis management, and also learn how to communicate with leaders and non-technical teams.
In terms of skills development, of course, we put the emphasis on developing technical skills that are tied to cybersecurity threats. However, we also train and help our participants develop skills that are specifically tailored for managing and dealing with organizational dynamics. What we are looking for, of course, people that are comfortable with technical skills such as coding or cybersecurity related skills. We are also looking for people that are open-minded and curious about how organizations work.
We offer leveling course so everyone can start with equivalent base. The key is motivation for governance, risk, compliance, and cyber strategy. Because cybersecurity is not only a technical issue, it's also a governance and management issue. We invite you to join our new program that combines a technical part and a governance part from EUSIA and Schema. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to contact Schema's admissions team.